from the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 7, verses 12. So, whatever you wish that others would do to you, do also to them. For this is the law and the prophets. This is the Gospel of the Lord. Take this moment to ponder on how we can incorporate ethics and etiquette in our daily lives with every society. Thought for the day. Living with ethics and etiquette is the key to building strong relationships and a better world. I repeat, living with ethics and etiquette is the key to building strong relationships and a better world. Thank you. Now I welcome Edon and Siti to share with us the importance of ethics and etiquette.
Ethics and etiquette are essential values that shape our character and behavior. They help us distinguish right from wrong and guide us in our interaction with others.
Ethics refers to the moral principles that govern our behavior. It's about doing what is right even when no one is watching.
Etiquette, on the other hand, refers to the rules of behavior that govern in our interaction with others. It's about being respectful, considerate, and polite.
In our daily life, ethics and etiquette play a crucial role. They help us to build strong relationships, earn respect, and contribute to a positive and harmonious community.
Ethics guides us to
Be honest and truthful in our words and actions.
respect the rights and dignity of others.
Take responsibility for our actions.
Etiquette guides us to
Use good manners such as
respect the feelings and opinions of others.
be punctual and respectful of other people's time.
In conclusion, ethics and etiquette are essential values that we should strive to incorporate into our daily lives.
Let's make a conscious effort to practice these values and become better individuals and responsible citizens.
Thank you.
Friends, now I welcome Saraswati to address the aspects of
Respected fathers, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear students, good morning to all. Let's congratulate these students, their class teachers, for the beautiful assembly. Ethics guide our actions, while ethics shapes of interaction with others, helping us build strong relationships and become better individuals. Let us work hard to improve these values in our lives and be compassionate to others. Thank you.
Here I am going to announce the results of various zone and regional competition prize winners. First, the prize distribution of athletics in zonal level. Now, I would like to invite our staff secretary, Sir Jason, to give away the prizes. Sir, please. 19 girls. Fiona Binney secured gold medal in both high jump and long jump. Seventeen boys, Amit Dev secured bronze medal in high jump. Seventeen girls, Anushka has secured bronze medal in long jump. Leia secured bronze medal in high jump. Fourteen boys, Abbas secured bronze medal in both 400 meter and 600 meter. Fourteen girls, Riddhi secured bronze medal in long jump and Aisha secured bronze medal in high jump. Thank you, sir. Next, regional level boxing and throwball winners result. Now I would like to invite Father Jito to give away the prizes. Under 17 girls, Tanya Judy Thomas secured gold medal in boxing. Under 19 girls throw ball, sequin gold medal, and the participants are Fiona Benny, Swati Krishna, Anusri S, and Neha Thomas. Thank you, Father. Next to the result of regional Kabaddi runners. Now I would like to invite our respected Principal Father Joby Burgess to give away the prizes. Under 14 category, secured silver medal and the participants are Ameya PR, Akshaya JS and Sanjana. Under 17 category secured silver medal and the participants are Srisha, Mridula, Abhinaya, Neha, Alha, Devangana, Vaiga and Tanya. In this, Tanya Jodi Thomas got best defender prize too. Now I request all the participants to come forward and receive overall runner-up trophy. I invite Father to Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you, Father and Sam, for your kind words. Let us proudly affirm the loyalty and devotion to a great nation through the pledge and followed by the national anthem. India is my country. Yes, my country. All Indians are